What's up YouTube, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Kith New Balance 990 V3 in this Tornado colorway. Today's video is brought to you by the good people from Heffalux. Heffalux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material that you'd find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort in your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which is linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of boots or for running shoes, there's going to be a pair of insoles for everybody. So I've been a proud supporter of Heffalux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are extremely comfortable and they add a ton of comfort to my shoes. So if you guys want to save 15% off your entire purchase, be sure to enter the code SEANGO at checkout and be sure to tell them I sent you. So back to the shoes, this is another New Balance 990 V3 review. This colorway was a Kith in-store exclusive, meaning it wasn't available on Kith's website. You had to physically go into the store to buy these. And I believe they dropped a few months back sometime in the summer, and they retailed for a price of $200 US, which is roughly 265 Canadian. And the official style code for this shoe is M990KT3. So jumping straight into the details, this is a made in USA New Balance shoe. And the base layer of the shoe is constructed out of this dark gray colored mesh. We have this hit of reflective silver 3M at the bottom, and then overlaid on the sides of the toe box, we have this perforated gray colored nubuck. Surrounding the front toe cap, we have this very buttery gray colored suede, and this suede covers the side mid panels of the shoe. Stitched on top of this, we have the New Balance N logo, which is done in this reflective 3M finish in gray and white, and then moving downwards, we have more of that gray colored mesh, along with gray colored nubuck and suede. And on the lateral side only, we have 990 branding stamped on in this metallic silver finish. Right above this, we have this perforated light gray colored nubuck, along with New Balance branding in this square hit. And at the very top of the back heel, we have Made in USA branding stamped on this perforated reflective 3M material. Surrounding the bottom of the back heel, we have this shiny silver TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. And then turning our attention back to the front of the shoe, for the laces, these come with 2 pairs of laces. So the default laces these come with is this cream flat colored lace, which I think complements the shades of gray on the shoe perfectly. And if you're not feeling these cream laces, they also give you a secondary pair of flat white laces too. Underneath this, the tongue is constructed out of mesh on the bottom half, but we have this nylon overlay in the top, along with New Balance USA branding found in the middle. For the insoles, these come with a foam padded insole, and we have your standard New Balance 990 V3 branding stamped on the heel, along with this famous clock tower, which is found in New Balance's Lawrence, Massachusetts factory. So the upper of the 990 V3 sits atop this full-length midsole, which is constructed out of New Balance's absorbed foam. So this midsole is left in white on the forefoot, and underneath the heel we have this end cap wedge, which is basically a soft EVA core surrounded by a stiffer polyurethane rim, which gives you that good balance between softness in the middle and support and structure on the outer edges. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your standard 990 V3 outsole. So this is constructed out of a combination of black and gray colored rubber. We have this diamond shaped traction pattern on the forefoot, along with these flex screws for added flexibility. And in the middle, we have this carbon fiber shank plate, which helps with torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Tornado 990 V3s. And for those wondering how these fit, to me these fit like all my other 990 V3s. So personally, I prefer to go a half size down from my actual measured foot size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. So that means when I put my foot on a Brannick device at a shoe store, I actually measure as a size 10, just past the D width. So for this pair, I got these in a 9.5 and they fit me great. To give you guys a point of comparison, I also go a half size down in other New Balance silhouettes like the 998, the 992, the 990 V4, V5, and the 550. And in comparison, I stick true to size or a size 10 in other New Balance silhouettes like the 997, the 1500, the 1530, and the 2002R. Moving on to comfort, so the 990 V3 is a very comfortable sneaker. So to me, it gives me that good balance between softness, support, and structure. So really, it's a pair that I can wear for many hours in a day. I can stand for many hours on my feet without feeling pain or fatigue in the arches of my feet. So sometimes for shoes that have overly soft, mushy midsoles, over time when I'm standing around or walking around in them, I get a lot of pain in my feet simply because those shoes lack structure and support. But for the 990 V3 and make that the V4 and V5 too for that matter, all those shoes are very balanced and they're not comfortable in the super soft pillowy way, but I'd say that they're very well rounded. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship on this shoe, so this is a made in USA New Balance, so with that said, the quality of the materials as usual were very good. The suede felt very buttery and soft, and you can really tell that in hand the materials are top notch. And in terms of the overall build on this shoe, I really had no issues at all with the build. I thought that the craftsmanship was perfect, so really no complaints on that end. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Tornado Kith New Balance 990 V3s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, I gotta say, even though this colorway is very understated, and if you don't know what this is, you probably wouldn't even bat an eye, but I think the colorway of this shoe and the color combination of this shoe, it works perfectly. I love the shades of gray, the silver, and the cream laces just sets it off, and it's a shoe you can really pair up with a whole bunch of different outfits, especially in the fall season. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Tornado New Balance 990 V3. What are your overall thoughts on the colorway of this shoe? And if this was accessible to you at a physical Kith store, is this a shoe you guys would pick up, or is this a simple pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram as well at esco8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and hopefully this helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.